Sand filters are used as a step in the water treatment process of water purification. They are considered to be a far more efficient and effective method of keeping fine particles out of where you swim than cartridge models, whether your pool is above or below ground. They also require less maintenance, so if you'd prefer to spend your time enjoying rather than servicing your lagoon, one of the units from our selection may be right for you. So if you're looking for one, then we can help you with some of the best in the business. Check out our new video to get more details about the latest products on the market. The SandMaster Sand Filter System is an economical pump and sand filter system upgrade for soft-sided above-ground pools. It is suitable for ponds up to 9,600 gallons and features a powerful 20 GPM pump, 4-position multi-port valve, and system base. Also, the 30.48 centimeter corrosion-proof filter tank holds 19.02 kilograms of sand and comes complete with two 3.17 centimeter by 228 centimeter hoses, a pump to filter hose, and all the fittings. Besides, the filter pump plugs into any 115-volt outlet, and the system is suitable for pools up to 9,600 gallons and features a powerful 20 GPM pump, 4-position multi-port valve, and system base. Moreover, the sand filter has a pumping capacity of 1,200 gallons per hour. The Blue Devil B8-315 sand filter is a high-performance, totally corrosion-proof that blends superior flow characteristics and features with ease of operation. It comes with a flange clamp design that allows 360-degree rotation for easy installation. Also, the top diffuser ensures all distribution of water over the top of the sand media bed. Besides, the tank is molded of polymeric material, HDPE, and drain for rapid winterizing or servicing. It measures 17.78 centimeters length by 35.56 centimeters height by 17.78 centimeters width, and offers 35 GPM design flow rate, 50 psi maximum working pressure. The 4500 GPH 19-inch sand filter provides an efficient, easy-to-use, simple-to-install, and operating system that will keep pool water clean and sparkling. Also, the core of these systems is the one-piece blow-molded tank that sits atop a universal base that accepts most pumps. It includes a top mount, 6-position multi-port valve, and has a high-capacity sand bed to catch more debris and extend filter cycles. It offers a unique process that creates a one-piece, non-corrosive tank of superior strength and durability even in the most demanding of applications. Besides, it has a combination of water and sand drain that makes servicing and winterizing fast and easy. Moreover, the filter design ensures that water is exposed to maximum sand surface area for optimum filtration performance and efficient backwashing. Another advantage is that it comes with one-piece thermoplastic filter tank for exceptional strength, corrosion resistance, and long life. Holding the first place among the list of best sand filters, we have the Intex Crystal Clear Sand Filter Pump. It provides excellent water filtration as the 6-function control valve allows the pool owner to filter, backwash, and rinse, recirculate, drain, and close the system. It generates a pump flow rate of 3,000 gallons per hour, ideal for above-ground pools 16 feet and above. It sports a 6-function control valve, which enables you to filter, backwash, rinse, recirculate, drain, and then close the system. Also, it includes a 24-hour automatic timer to set the operating time and a safety shutoff to make pool maintenance much more straightforward. Besides, it has a flow rate of 3,000 gallons per hour, creating a system flow rate of 2,450 gallons per hour, and making it a perfect fit for any size Intex above-ground pool. Plus, sand filter pumps tend to last 2 to 3 times longer than traditional filter cartridge pumps. Another advantage is that sand filters are easy to maintain and a great alternative to keeping your pool water sanitized. Thanks for watching. Take a moment to appreciate our work by hitting the like button. If you'd like to see more from us in the future, then go ahead and hit the subscribe and bell icons.